Hello guys, welcome to HTML5 tutorial by littlecoder. And last video we saw the basics of HTML. So now let's get started. As usual, I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. It has opened there for me, and you could see that there is that's the same code which I have done in the past video. So now let me remove this. Let me delete this. So in today's topic, we are going to discuss about headings in a website. So let me type as heading. So if you are a newspaper reader, you would have seen that in the newspaper, breaking news would have been in the first page. So breaking news, the font would be in bigger size and the text about it will be in smaller size. So in that we can also, like that we can also make it appear, look or appear in a website. It's a very simple process actually. In HTML we have 6 headings. It is H1. I always request you to use the small letters for while coding. So H1. So you could see that Visual Studio has already done it for me. And like that we have 6 headings. H2, H3, H4, and we have snippets. We don't need to apply tags. We can directly write H4 and it will apply the snippets for me. So this is called snippets. It's an extension you need to download from the net. I will I'll also make another video for making your text editor look like this. So sorry, it's H5 and at last it's H6. Okay, this is the 6 heading tags we have. If you're making a website, if you're making a journal website, you need to write the heading of the news content at the starting of the web page. So it needs to have a larger font and the content of it needs to be in smaller font. That's what everybody would like to see. Even in media you could see that the breaking news will always in large fonts. So uh, it is very useful in lots of ways. If your web, say if your website is based on a old person like those who are above 60 or 70 years, then they might have some visual problems. So to make it clearly visible for them, you might need some bigger fonts. So actually we know that, and the plus point in visual code is that you can have live preview. You don't need to save it, go and click the saved folder, open it, refresh it. So it's a bigger task actually. So to avoid that, we have another extension. It's called HTML live previewer. Press F1. Actually you need to press F1. Sorry. What you have to do is go there, uh, click view, press command palette. It shows that show side preview. So click it. You could see that we have the screen showing it. Okay. Um, so let me show you how it's done. Mm, Hi there. Can you see me typing? So you could see that as I start to type, it automatically refreshes and reloads the file so that it looks like live. Uh, this is very helpful when you're building a huge website, so that you at that time you don't need to close the text editor, go and refresh it, open it. So it's a huge task for doing. So it's and very best thing. So you could see that it shows hi there. Can you see me typing? So this is the normal font you could see in a web page. So this is it's a normal font. So what if we type it in this headings? So I'm going to type heading 1. So heading 1 is the largest font in this series, and head 6 is the smallest font. So let me type heading 2. You could see it's decreasing, its font is decreasing. Heading 3, heading 4, and again heading 5, heading 6. So you could see that heading 1 is the largest font and heading 6 is the smallest font. So if you want to create an breaking news or whatever content, if you want to display your web page name in a large font, you can definitely go for the right choice as H1. And if you want to display some paragraphs or some poems or lessons or whatever visual content you have, you can definitely go for option 6, which is heading 6, for showing up text. And between this heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 can be is multi-purposal. You can use it for any sorts of things, and actually it's really a good thing actually. So this is all about heading tag. So heading tag means it is it increases and decreases the font size actually. So it is a very important tag in HTML1. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will like it. So wait for the next video, and please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And you can do a good favor by commenting below, and we'll surely make definite corrections. Okay, thank you guys. See